Hello everyone, in this video we are going to make this beautiful butterfly. So take 2 pipe cleaner and start folding it. Leave 2 centimeters space and then we are going to start folding it from the end. Here we are making the wing of the butterfly. So increase and decrease the size accordingly. We are also giving it slight curves like this, and look, your wings are ready. We are going to make 2 such wings. Look how we are doing here, and then we are going to combine both of them together from the antenna and start tying a knot like this. Now give it shape and look, your butterfly is ready. We're going to make spider today, so take a tissue paper, fold it and make a ball. Now cover it using this light brown pipe cleaners, and we are going to fold another pipe cleaner, roll it. We are making the eyes of the spider. Now paste it on the ball using hot glue gun. Then we are going to make the legs of the spider, cut it into half. Now twist all of them together. We are going to remove it and paste all of them together. Paste googly eyes, and look, your spider is ready. Let's make octopus using pipe cleaners and tissue. First fold the pipe cleaner and then we're going to cut it. Now make a ball by folding this tissue paper. Now we are going to cover it using these green color pipe cleaners together, and then tie a knot at the end using another pipe cleaner and cover it as well like we are doing here. And look, it's done. Paste it using hot glue gun, and look, it's done. Then we are going to give shape to the tentacles. We are going to cut the excess part using scissors, paste its eyes, and look, your octopus is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.